Oh my gosh, it is that Friday feeling. We're not in the hangar, no we're not, we are in the kitchen. Oh yes, the kitchen that keeps stopping me making all these wonderful movies. You're in it right now. Why are you in it? Well, I won something on Motion RC's, not website, it's their YouTube. If you don't know Motion RC, I've left a link below in the description. Go there, you might be a winner. Winning winner, chicken dinner. Oh yeah. And back in the room. Oh yes, I won a prize. Yes I did. What prize did I win? I won a racing car. Well, it's not a racing car as such. It's a racing car. But as you can see, I mean, you saw a little wheel there. Whatever it lands on, you win, and I won a car. Trouble is, the wife wants it. She says, I want that car. So I said, that's fine, but then you've got to do the unboxing. So we're going to get to do the unboxing. Why not? In the kitchen. Here you go. Here's the wife, Mrs. Dad's RC Hanger, Jackie. And yeah, you stole my truck, did you not?
I did, thank you, Motion RC.
Oh, look at that. She's a professional. Tell us a bit about the car then. Come on, I normally, when I do an unboxing, first of all, we talk about the box.
Okay.
What's in the box?
Okay, in the box is a red car. Fab.
Red car, okay.
Not that I can drive. It's 2.4, what's that, gigahertz?
Yep.
It's a professionally large tension propeller. It's large capacity, rechargeable battery, powerful high-speed motor, an RC system included. So
it looks pretty cool.
It does 60 km an hour.
Kilometres an hour. I don't know what that is in miles an hour, but probably about 30, 40, something like that. Okay.
So
what's in the box? Hang on, shall I move the camera a bit closer?
Okay,
go extreme close up. Hang on, I'm taking it one. There we go. Here we go. Right. Hang on. Okay, the box is in shot. So bring it forward. That's it. Bring it a bit forward. Oh yeah, teaser, lemon squeezer. Go on then. Open the box.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's another cardboard box.
Okay.
So you got the Bible there, the manual. What's in that? What's in the manual? There's something in there. What's in there?
That is, I have no idea because I'm not the tech side of this. My husband is.
Oh, okay. What is it? Let's have a look here then.
Let him have a look at that.
So it looks like we got a USB charger that charges something, and you get a little doobie wrench. Now you can put that over there. Put that over on your new kitchen that I'm earning brownie points with, so I can get my Phantom A4.
Yes. Absolutely.
Have I built my brownie points up yet? Maybe.
Okay, so in here we have.
Blank me. What you got? What you got in there?
Hold your ollie on.
You're going out of focus here.
Oh.
What's that? Is that a remote control?
That's a remote control.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, go show it to the people. Oh yeah, like them there.
Yeah, bit sexy looking.
Oh, sexy. Plastic. Is it plastic fantastic? Does it sound pretty good? Does it feel solid?
Ish.
Okay, let's have a look at that then. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. No batteries. You get any batteries in there? What we got here? We got batteries. I'm not stuck in a field, so we got batteries on this one. Well, then, crack on.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that all in there? Is it?
That's all that was in there.
Okay,
yeah.
That's good.
So here we have. Okay, let's get rid of the debris. We don't want that. Not interested in that.
Not interested in that. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? It just is as it is.
As it is. There we go.
Now look at that. I've got to come in here because I know you're doing the unboxing, but you know we've got to talk about this because obviously I've noticed a few things that's really cool on us. I mean, look at this. This is all metal. Now it's a bit lighting's a bit crazy in here, because I didn't get out my lights. But look at that suspension. I did try and light it up on the video. I think. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oreos. That's all metal. You got a metal bottom for bashing. That is really cool, isn't it? And what we got here? We got little clips. Can you take them clips off?
Yeah.
I should have done the lighting better, really, but hey ho. There you go. So 2 clips, and that should come off the.
Wow.
The thing. There you go.
There we go.
Oh look, there's the battery. So you get a battery with it. That's really cool. Let me just show everyone in here. Don't worry about the light and stuff. So we got a motor. I don't know if it's a brushless motor. I don't think it is actually. And then you got your gearing. You got your ESC and receiver, I believe there. You got a little servo for your turning. And the battery comes with a battery, and it comes with a Dean's connector. That's it. And that must be a balanced lead. So that's really cool. That's really cool. It comes with a battery. Look at that. I mean, okay, it's a whatever battery, but isn't that nice of them to send a battery with it as well? So I wonder if you're ready to rock and roll. Should we just plug it in and see what happens? We should turn the transmitter on really first.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Oh, we got the daughter in the background.
Got an audience.
We actually.
That suspension is very good on it. Look at that.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's not as good as my big rock. Easy. Right, look at that. Look at that. That's really bouncy, isn't it? Ba-dang, 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 ba-dang. I love it. It comes with a metal plate for bashing. This thing, I reckon, is going to be off-road heaven. Don't forget, this is free. I won this. Now, how cool it is to win this.
Absolutely.
I did treat myself to a little plane when I did get this, but that's not the point. It's only because the wife's nicked it. I like that. Look at it. It's got a metal drive shaft in there. It's really bad, actually. I should really video this with something else, shouldn't I, really? Maybe I should get my iPhone. Should we get the iPhone? Alrighty, we're on the cam. We're on the iPhone cam. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. All metal. Metal rods, metal suspension. I mean, this is so cool. For the price this comes out at, it's pretty goddamn awesome, if I say so myself. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I reckon we might have to grease this up a bit. I don't know. But, I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, look at the bash bar. Oh, plane going over. That is pretty awesome. I mean, you know, this is like what, 100 something pound or whatever that is in your money, in dollars or whatever. Look at that, it's all metal. And look at that suspension. If I could see that. Look at that. There you go. There's the floor. You see the floor, the tiling floor that stopped the movie from last week. There you go. Only me brownie points. But we have got a new dog. She came today. So it's all been a bit crazy, hence this thing. But I did want to say to her, she wanted the car, she had to do a live one. So okay, so now what we did do, didn't we? We did do the transmitter, didn't we? So basically all you need to do is you need to press that button there. Then when you plug the power in, press that button there and move the trigger, and boom, you're done. Now there is different modes, but we'll go through that anyway because we are going to do another video. This is just a really quick video today. Just to do the unboxing. I mean, we might do a bit of driving in the garden. We'll do a bit of driving in the garden, I think.
Raining.
Is it raining again, is it?
Yeah.
The manual is pretty awesome. It tells you lots and lots of stuff about the actual car itself. It tells you what to do, what not to do. It's pretty cool, and it is a climber as well. So I think it's a climber, four-wheel drive. So it's got to be a bit of a basher. Bashing means flying off ramps and crashing. I don't know, because I mean, that's, you know, you can toughen up the suspension here and loosen it up. I mean, I've got to play around with it. I mean, I've not been allowed to touch it. It's had to stay in the box because it's not mine. It's the woman's over there.
It's mine.
Yeah, see, it's all hers. Damn. Anyway, I reckon we should plug it in. What do you think? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Well, go on in. So plug the Dings connector in.
Where does that go in there?
Yeah, well, yeah, that go. Actually, can you put that back in there? That's got a little Velcro there that holds it in.
Okay, bear with me. Which
Bear
one?
with. Yeah, I think so. A flat ways, yeah, flat. That's it. And then it kind of loops in.
Oh, okay.
Extreme. Yep. No?
No?
I should play some Benny Hill tunes here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not used to these kind of things. My place is in the kitchen doing dinner.
Oh, many people would say that different. But I didn't say that.
I'm saying it.
You're saying that, yeah, but you enjoy yourself, so
Yeah,
this is good fun. Stick it in there, girl. Usha. Usha.
That's what he says.
Well, hey, missus. Right, so I reckon this level have to be tucked in a bit.
Yeah.
But we won't worry about it too much at the moment.
Okay.
And I believe that when you power it on, you just got to press that button and you're live. Now there is different modes to say, but hang on, before you rip my hands off, girl. Go on then, go on. Bit of triggering. Oh yeah. Yeah, a bit of turning. Really? I think I'm going to go slow. Now there is mutton, careful there. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to put it down.
Okay.
Can you go really slow to me? Try not to kill me though. Beep, beep. That's pretty responsive. I like that. Now it is a crawler. Now there is different modes. Easy, easy. Don't, because that's going to fly off and get me. There is different.
As if I do that to you.
There is different modes that you could. She's doing it, isn't she? Look, yeah, oh, God, you're like a kid with a new toy. Oh yeah, it is your new toy. Hang on, there is different modes here. There's different modes that presumably does stuff, but we haven't really looked through this because we literally just got back from picking the dog up and it was like, oh man, I've got to do my Friday feeling, because it is that Friday feeling and I'm feeling good. Yeah, so I think what we'll do, should we get some footage outside of you playing around with this?
Can do, but it stopped raining then.
Has it stopped raining?
Oh, it's going to get
Hell yeah.
It's not a waterproof. Oh, hell yeah in the background. Come then. Well, there you go. That is probably the fastest ever unboxing and the shortest Dad's RC hanger video, which is really interesting because Mrs. Dad's RC hanger is not normally that quick. She natters forever. Worse than me. So what did I get as well, considering she stole my present from Motion RC? I got the Lit Dot 15 Diana. That's what I got. Yes, we'll do that another day. I've got some ideas for this baby. From Freewing from Motion RC. No, I didn't get that one for free. I didn't win it. I had to buy it. Don't tell her that. But yes, thanks to Motion RC for the spinny wheel, and I won. So fantastic. Anyway, until then, if you can fly in this atrocious weather in the UK, get out there and fly while you can. If you're everywhere else in the world, get out and flying, get and have some fun. And listen, as always, thanks for stopping by. See you now. Bye bye.